In the 21st century, we enjoy the highest standard of living ever experienced by the world's population. More products are made and consumed today than ever before. These products are made and consumed globally by over 7 billion people, with the increasing recognition that resources needed to make these products are finite. So there's considerable pressure to make these products as efficiently as possible. Traditional manufacturing methodologies have gotten us to the standard of living that we all enjoy today, but a leaner and less wasteful, more efficient approach is needed for the future. We've developed a workshop based on two computer-based models. The first part of the workshop uses a traditional push model, allowing the participants to manage a traditional manufacturing facility using push manufacturing philosophy, coordinating the people and inventories in the facility to meet increased customer demand. The push model uses an MRP algorithm to clearly illustrate the challenges of the traditional manufacturing philosophy. It allows the participants to identify and correct bottlenecks in the production flow, and it illustrates what happens if the forecast is incorrect. By changing variables in the model, the participants instantly see the impact of those changes on utilization, product flow, customer order fulfillment, and profit. The participant also sets the sales price of the product in order to meet specific profit expectations. In the workshop, after stepping through several scenarios of increasing customer demand, we discuss some lean manufacturing philosophies. We define waste and discuss non-value added activities. We look at the customer response to waste, and we identify areas in the traditional model that are candidates for change. This is not intended to be a comprehensive discussion of lean, but after using the traditional push manufacturing methodology, the lack of lean principles is very obvious. In the workshop, we then defined the pull methodology. We combined several operations into a cell. We move equipment to eliminate transportation. We eliminate setups through tooling changes. We do not forecast the product, but we allow the customer demand to drive the production. Like the push model, the pull model illustrates the impact of changing variables on the output and profitability of the factory. After utilizing the push model, the pull model is simplistic, driven not by forecast, but by customer demand. We step through several scenarios of increased production levels, and we test the flexibility of the factory by varying the production mix. We then set our product price. At the end of the workshop, there's a competition for 100 units. The lean approach can produce the required production volume at a much lower price than the traditional approach. With the lean pull methodology, the customer isn't forced to pay for the waste that's built into the traditional push methodology. At this point, the participants in the workshop have a hands-on feel for what it takes to produce the same product in both systems. We can talk about the pros and cons of each methodology, finishing the workshop with an open discussion and question time. My name is Terry Mushrush, and I've assisted people improve their production processes for over 40 years. This workshop allows you to internalize what it feels like to struggle with the traditional manufacturing processes, and it shows how implementing some basic changes can radically improve your efficiency, profitability, and at a lower cost to your customers. I'm happy to come to your facility and facilitate a half-day seminar, or we can do this remotely with a webinar. Please feel free to contact me, and thank you for your time.